What's the meaning of conjunction? Conjunction. Conjunction.
Conjunction. Conjunction. Conjunction is a part of speech that connects words, phrases, or clauses together to show the relationship between them. It is used to join two or more elements in a sentence and to indicate the way in which they are related. Conjunctions can be classified as coordinating, subordinating, or correlative. Coordinating conjunctions join elements that are equal in importance, while subordinating conjunctions introduce subordinate clauses that are less important. Correlative conjunctions are used in pairs to show the relationship between two elements in a sentence. Overall, conjunctions play an important role in creating well-formed and cohesive sentences.